Hi, you guys. I'm about to do a prank on my grandma, farting prank. I'm gonna see what her reaction is. You guys stay tuned. Come here. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. Look, it's right here. Wash sprays. Smells like the real thing. I'll see her reaction. You guys stay tuned, alright? Come on. No. It's my son's right here. Look. It's right here. Come on. Come on. Alright, you guys. Sí. Look at you guys.
Hey, Noah! Hey! Noah! Deje mi gato. Really, not yet.
You smell it?
Está bien, doctora. Yo me comunico con usted en otro momento.
Hold on, guys.
Sí, sí, hasta luego, gracias.
Hold on.
Está bien, yo la escucho.
Yeah. No, no, no se quiere.
Parece niño chiquito. Qué pena.
¿Qué es eso? No digo.